Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to be unboxing a Charlotte Tilbury mystery box. This was part of their, I think, Black Friday or Cyber Monday deals, and you guys know I'm a sucker for a good mystery box. So I went ahead and ordered this. I did order a Charlotte Tilbury mystery box earlier this year, like, I think it was in the summer is when I did, and that was like a $200 box, but it had so many good things in it. I was very impressed, and my Charlotte Tilbury makeup collection has grown substantially from trying out different mystery boxes from her. She usually includes pretty good stuff in them. So when I saw this on the site, they had 3 different options. I went ahead and bought the cheapest one. I wasn't gonna get it, and then I got so many messages from you guys about it, asking if I would be picking one up or if I would recommend it to you guys. So you guys kind of convinced me that I need to order another one, which I really didn't need to. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we don't have too many duplicates in here, but I don't know, I just think that these are so much fun to try out. And with these, she actually gave a sneak peek of each box, 2 items in the box. So I already knew what 2 items would be, which one of the items was a repeat. That's why I held off a little bit, but yeah, I went ahead and ordered the dang box, so let's do this unboxing. So I got the cheapest one, like I mentioned. This one was $125, and it's supposed to be a $260 value. So let's hope we got some good stuff in here. Alright, let's open it up and see what we got. We got some tissue paper and a cute little Charlotte Tilbury sticker. And all the products are kind of just in there, but it looks like a lot of stuff. As you guys can see, there's a lot in here. So let's start off with the first item that definitely convinced me to buy this box, because they had this on the outside so you could see that this was definitely coming in it, and it's one of her palettes. Now, I've tried one of her palettes in the past. It was like a mixture of matte and shimmers, and I wasn't a huge fan of it, but that was like years and years ago. But this one I've always been intrigued by. It's not too old. It's like a more recent launch from her. It's the Luxury Palette of Mattes, and I've always wanted to try this. I feel like this one got pretty good reviews, and yeah, it's 4 matte shadows from Charlotte Tilbury. So let me go ahead and do a little close-up for you. And there is the mattes. I feel like these mattes are pretty much shades that I would use on the daily. It has everything I need: a cream, a mid-tone brown, and a dark brown, and it's very warm toned. Let me go ahead and swatch. These feel really nice too. They're very soft. I feel like it was her shimmers that were just very mediocre. So these will be nice. I've been getting into more matte palettes lately, because then you can just use a glitter over top or a single shadow, like throw a ColourPop shadow over top, and you have a really pretty look if you're wanting that shimmer. But yeah, I'm really excited about this. I'm going to leave the prices too here so you guys can see how much this retails for, but this was definitely an incentive that made me want to buy this box, because I did want to try out this palette. So she definitely got me there. Now, the other item that was as a sneak peek, this one I do own already, and it is the Pillow Talk Iconic Lipstick. So I might just resell this, try to make some money back on it. Since it's brand new, I'm not going to use it since I already own it. Let me grab mine actually. So this is the iconic Pillow Talk shade, and this is just a nice mid-tone neutral pink that a lot of people just love. It's her best-selling shade, and basically when you think of Charlotte Tilbury, you always think of Pillow Talk, because she has it in literally all forms. There's palettes, blushes, I think even highlighter in Pillow Talk, and then this is the swatch of it here. It's a very pretty lipstick color, so I did know that was coming, and I knew I already had it, but I decided to go ahead and take a chance anyway on this box to just get some more Charlotte Tilbury in my life. Okay, the next product, I definitely do not have this. This is the Easy Eye Palette for the Charlotte Darling look. Ooh, it says mini eye palette with 2 easy to wear eye looks. I've never even heard of this, so let's see what this is. Oh, this is cute. It's a little baby palette. It actually kind of looks like my, let me grab it. Okay, I couldn't remember the name. It looks like my Pillow Talk Instant Eye Palette. I feel like these probably have some similar tones in there, as you guys could see. So it's kind of like the mini version of this. I would say for this palette, I keep it around because it's like my only Charlotte one now that I have 2 more. I might end up decluttering this and just keeping this one because I feel like I like this selection a little bit more. Sometimes I like smaller palettes more. I don't get as like stressed about what I look to do. Let me go ahead and do some swatches. Yeah, this palette feels honestly really good. Like, why does this feel better than her other ones? Alright, so there is the swatches of this mini palette. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep, I don't know, because some of those mattes look similar to the other one. Those are the 2 browns. They kind of look similar. And yeah, these 2 kind of look similar. I'm in a dilemma because now I feel like these kind of look similar too, except this one has the shimmers. But I mean, I'm really happy to get 2 eye palettes. That's amazing for a Charlotte Tilbury mystery box. I'll have to kind of play with these a bit more, see what is all dupes, and see if I want to keep all 3 of these palettes in my life, or I might end up selling one later down the road. We'll see, but I am excited that she sent 2 palettes. That's amazing. Right. It looks like I got an eye powder pencil, and it's a classic black. I do not have this. I have tried one of her eyeliners, and it's actually the Pillow Talk burgundy shade. I like this black color, and it's very creamy. So I'll definitely use this. I've never gotten a black eyeliner in her mystery boxes before, so that's actually really nice that she included a very neutral shade that everyone can use. Now it looks like I might have this. Let me check. I swear I have this, but maybe I actually don't, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one. So this one is the Pillow Talk Diamonds. It's a glossy starlit sparkling like kind of lipstick, and it's so stinking pretty. It has a lot of fun shimmer and sparkle. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So if you don't like metallic lip colors, you probably won't like this, but look at this gorgeous color. It has that greenish gold kind of glitters in there with the light pink background. I think that's going to be so pretty on the lips. I don't know why I thought I had this, but it might be something else that I have. Because I do have this that looks similar, but I think this is something else. It's like a more creamy Pillow Talk lipstick. There's so much Pillow Talk, I can't even keep it straight. But yeah, I don't think I have this one, so we'll keep it. Look how pretty the packaging is too. So beautiful. Okay, so I also got a lip luster in Pillow Talk, which again, I thought I had this one, but apparently it's not in my collection. I know I was sent quite a few things from the Pillow Talk Charlotte Tilbury collection like earlier this year, and I know I kept some and then I decluttered some because there's just like so much Pillow Talk. But yeah, I don't know if I do have this one, but I think I am going to put this one in like a giveaway later or resell, because since I kept the glittery lipstick, I just don't think I really need this one. But you know, it's cool to get that still. Okay, we got a Beauty Light Wand, you guys. Let's hope I don't have this color. Let's see. What did we get? What did we get? Spotlight. Dang it. I have this one too. I'm pretty sure. Yep, here it is. Dang it. I might have to resell this one and then buy, I really want Peach Gasm or Pink Gasm. Those look so pretty as blushes. I was hoping for those, but I did get a duplicate, unfortunately. So, but this is a beautiful highlight. I absolutely love these. This is what Spotlight looks like. It is stunning. One of my favorite liquid highlighters. It's just gorgeous. So it's a beautiful product. And that is everything in my Charlotte Tilbury mystery box here. I mean, I kind of wasted my money, but I knew that would happen. It's okay. It's for the content, you know. I enjoy unboxing these with you, and usually I can make my money back when I resell some stuff like I didn't really like, but you guys love these kind of mystery boxes, and I think they're so much fun, and I can kind of show you what is included, and you guys can get an idea if it's something you guys want to pick up in the future, because Charlotte Tilbury does do a lot of mystery boxes often, and I'll try to post them whenever they have them on my stories. But I think this is a sign that I can't buy these anymore because I'm just always going to get duplicates. And so, I don't know. I might be done with mystery boxes for a while. I feel like they're fun every so often for brands I don't have a ton from, but I think I am going to step back from doing them a bit because I am spending kind of a lot of money on them. And while I used to get a decent amount of views on mystery box type videos, I don't really these days. I think they're very trendy in 2019 and early 2020, but now people are kind of over it and would rather just, you know, buy the products they want and spend that amount. So I totally get that. So I might be cutting back a bit on the mystery boxes. Overall, I did get a few new things in my collection, a few repeats. It was definitely worth it for sure. We definitely got a great value. She does include amazing products, and I think if you guys don't have a ton from her line, then you should definitely go for it, because you get really good stuff. It's not just the rejects. You better like Pillow Talk, because you're gonna get some Pillow Talk in your mystery box for sure. But I feel like I always get Pillow Talk lipstick. I always see the Spotlight highlighter in her boxes, and usually mascara. I didn't get mascara this time around, so I was kind of surprised, but those are kind of the common items. But overall, I do think it is a good mystery box to buy. It's one that you don't really waste your money on. So anyways, that is going to be it for this Charlotte Tilbury mystery unboxing. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.